we'll see how to create index, how to create view here, how to create a synonym. So consider we have a table, say select star from item, right? Now everyone is suppose always, or you are using price column in the where clause frequently. So we can create index on the price column. Okay. Already index is there in the on the item ID, right? Since I created a primary key, so index is getting created. But if I want to create index, so create index on create index, give a name here, PRCIND. Okay. On what table? Item table of column price. Enter. Index created. You want to see describe item here. So it is saying price, or these are the column. You can say select a star from all indexes. You can get it from there. So this is a way to create index on table on the column price, right? Now once someone says select a star from item where price less than 100, so it will use price index and get the all the details of item table, fine, and display it. Okay, now let us understand how to create synonym, right? Create synonym, name, just say here itm for item, synonym created. Now you can do here select star from itm, will do the same job. So we have given a short name for my item table. Okay, you can also write like this, say product. Okay, product or PR list, for Isaac dot item. So Isaac is a user created here, item is a table, the table created by Isaac user, and I say select a star from PR list, product list. Okay, displaying here, right? Understood how to create synonym now? Now we'll understand how to create index here, sorry, view. So we'll say create view v1 as what? Select star from item. Create it. Now you can do all the operations through views. Select star from v1. You're getting all the records, right? You can insert the record through the view. Say here insert into v1, right? And say values. What values? 5. Park Avenue. Quantity 90. Price 90. Total is 0. Saying not enough values. What we are missing? Say here men's product. Okay, something like that. So we are able to insert the record. See, 5th record has been inserted here, right? Park Avenue. Getting? You can delete from the view. It's very easy. Just say select or delete from v1 where item ID equal to 4. check your records. It's gone. So it's gone from table also. So whatever the changes you do here, that will reflect your item table. Whatever operation you perform from the view, it will reflect the item table. Let us create another view. Create view, I say here v2 as select, not all column. I just want item ID and quantity on hand and price. I'm always willing to know these records from item. So in this case, item is a underlying table or base table here for view v2, right? Once I say select star from v2 here, I'm getting this much records only, right? Now I want to know what are the item has been sold. What are the item has been sold. So we are having sales table, right? So only item 2 and 3 has been sold here, right? How I can get to know that what are the item has been sold? And I want to see the list of that item. Since all the records before you, so you can easily trace it, right? But how we can write if the numbers are more? So select, see, select star from item where item ID in, means select that item ID, select item ID from cells. Look it now. Now what I'm doing here, I'm selecting all the item ID from the cells. So 2 and 3 is getting selected, right? And this 2 and 3 will match with item ID and get the details of item table. So only this 2 and 3 Lakme has been sold. The 1 and 5 has not been sold yet. This is what? Subquery. This is outer query and this is inner query, right? So I have used here subquery. Without subquery, how we can do? We have to do the join. So you can write here select item table item ID, item table dot item ID, comma, item descriptions I want to know only. From which table? Item table, comma, sales table, where item dot item ID equal to sales dot item ID, right? So only this two record has been sold. This is join, also called inner join, also called, I can say, natural join here, right? And equi join you can say here, isn't it? So with the help of select subquery, also we can retrieve the data. With the help of join, we can retrieve, right? Instead of writing this, you can also write like this: I dot item ID, select I dot item ID from gone. Select here, create a alias item I and then cells S, where I dot item ID equal to S dot item ID. So you can create alias for table here I and S here. So we are referring by I dot item ID, S dot item ID. So it is convenient if you make alias for the tables and you can use in the column, right? This is what inner join we are having. Okay, and I have discussed all other join. You can try that one, right? If I write the same query and I don't give condition here, right, then it will have a cross join. So how many rows? 2 rows and 4. So 4 into 2, 8. First table having 4 records, second table having 2 records, right? So it will give you 4 into 2. You can notice here in the previous where I was written item and cells. In item there is a 4 records. You have seen that time, right? In the cells, yeah, here it is a 4 record, here is a 2 records, right? So we're getting Cartesian product 4 into 2, 8. So 1 pounds, 2 lakh me, 3 lakh me, 5. Again it is repeating the records. If I say right outer join, then we have to do this in bracket, say here plus. So this is a left outer join. Means all the records from the left table, right? And all the records from the right table. Matching records from the right table, sorry. So left table records it is giving. If you use here star, then I think it will be more clear. From, so then you can see the records here. Like this. If you want for right outer join, then you can write down like this here. Give a plus here. Then it will be right outer join. Okay. So only right table all the records and left table matching records. Okay. So this is the right outer join and that was the left outer join. Okay. So we understood the join and subquery. We have seen some example of subquery and join, and then we have seen the view, right, synonym and index. Okay, that's all.